Hi guys, I'm Jen. Welcome to the video. I recently started remaking my old video by adding voiceover on them. Hopefully this will make things easier to follow the step-by-step instructions. I hope you like this video and I will see you guys later. Tonkatsu debuted in 1899 under the name pork cutlet on the menu of a Tokyo restaurant named Cutlet. It is still open to this day. Oh, only if one day I can go eat there. The term Tonkatsu pork katsu was adopted in 1930s. There's a whole lot of history about it that I won't go into or else this video will be quite long. But it is one of our family's favorite meal. They will be gone so fast sometimes it becomes a race between the kids. Let's go ahead and start preparing the ingredients. The most important is the pork chops. We will prepare 6 pork chops. The traditional ones are thick cuts. For the kids, I've always been making thinner cuts. Some salt, black pepper, half a cup of all-purpose flour, 1 egg, 1 cup of panko aka breadcrumbs, and deep frying oil. We will tenderize the pork chop by hammering them first, followed by salt and pepper on both sides. Now prepare 3 plates in the order of flour, beaten egg, and panko, and season them all with salt and pepper. I found this way the tonkatsu will not lose its flavor after deep frying process. Now we will be dipping our pork chops in the order of flour, egg, and lastly panko. We can press gently on the flour and panko to make sure everything is glued together by the egg. Jen's tip! When I first learned how to make tonkatsu, sometimes the layer will come off after the deep frying. Then I finally found a trick that will never make that happen again. And that is to put them in the refrigerator for 30 minutes after the last step. So right after we put the panko layer on, we put them in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Since I started doing that, my breading never came off again. Heat up the deep frying oil to 170 Celsius, that's around 330 Fahrenheit. Fry each pork chop for 3 to 5 minutes, depending on the thickness. I'm using a super simple Hamilton deep fryer. I absolutely love this thing. Take the tonkatsu out and drain the oil for a bit, then cut them into strip or bite-size for the kids. I love serving katsukare, which is tonkatsu over Japanese curry, or just leave them with some raw cabbage. That's how Renkate serve their pork kare, and it's beloved all over the world by now. Enjoy! Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know how your tonkatsu turned out. I would love to hear your results. Have a wonderful day. See you again. Bye!